Welcome back to another video. In today I'm gonna show you how to add background image in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is the video without background image. Here if you want to add background image, then I'll go into the project and make it a color matte. I'll select the orange color. You can rename it or not if you want. I rename it to orange. As you can see here, an orange color matte is created. After that, we will move all the layers up. Then we will take it down. And next, we will increase the layer. Then select the layer and decrease the opacity. Look, here is created the background image. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.